Hi, today I am going to explain you about the basics of CRO. CRO, that is cathode ray oscilloscope, and it is an electronic test instrument. It is typically divided into four sections: display, vertical controller, horizontal controllers and triggers. It is used to obtain waveforms when the different input signals are given. Display is divided into vertical and horizontal lines. One square or box is divided into 5 small sections vertically as well as horizontally, where one division is 0.2. If we measure square in vertical direction, it gives us amplitude, and number of squares in horizontal direction gives us the time period. Now, the CRO has two channels. With the help of this channel, one can observe input and output signal at same time. Also, you can observe here two knobs. These two knobs are volt per division. By changing this knob, one can change the number of partitions that cover up the voltage signal within vertical way. Now, we are measuring the amplitude of this sine waveform. So, on CRO you can observe the sine waveform with 3 boxes or 3 squares covered in the vertical direction. So, 3 into the multiplication factor is the amplitude of this waveform. 3 into 5, that is equal to 15 volt is the amplitude. CRO has another knob that is called as time base, means time per division, used to measure the time period or frequency of the waveform. When we want to calculate frequency, we first have to find out time period. For that, we have to measure square boxes in horizontal direction for one cycle. So, 3 boxes in horizontal direction multiply by 0.2 millisecond time per division, which gives us 0.6 millisecond time period, and 1 upon t gives us the frequency of. You can observe here the another knobs with the help of which we can shift the waveform in upward and downward direction. The knob which is associated with channel 1 shift channel 1 waveform up and down. The same knob is present for channel 2. So, the knob associated with channel 2 shift the waveform up and down direction. Now, this is the knob with the help of which we can shift the waveform in the left and right direction. So, you can observe this on the CRO that when we are shifting the knob in the right direction, the waveform is going into the right direction, and when we are changing the knob into leftward direction, then the waveform is also going to the left side. So, this is the knob with the which we can shift the waveform in left and right directions. If you won't get anything on the CRO, you have to check this knob, vertical knob as well as horizontal.